Now, in real life, this is the way I would read a file. I will do a while statement, and over here I will write my code to insert row to the database or to do the operations around it. I would probably use something like a var p equals new models products and do something like p insert and then set the values over here. P dot value, I don't know, p dot product ID value is equal to blah 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 blah. So I would probably do it like this. But in some cases, you may want to see it exactly as the migrated code. You want to control it just like a business process would work in the migrated code. So let's do that. Let's use business process base in this context. So what would we do next? I'll put a breakpoint over here. I'll put a breakpoint over here. I'll go to my code, run this, and we can see that L will have the data, and for every row that I'll go, it will have the data. And if I'll put a break, let's put a breakpoint over here and run the code, and we can see that it's done. And if I look at the counter, we can see that there were 78 lines in the file. So let's recap what we've done here. We made sure that the class would inherit from business process base because we wanted it to be a business process base. We've defined a member for the file reader or XML reader or any other objects that we want to use. We set it in the onload and we set its streams. We added it to the streams array to make sure that it closes when the controller closes. And we also set the exit condition to make sure that this will not be an infinite loop because there's no from set over here. So this controller will loop until we tell it otherwise. And on the leave row, we've read the line, and in the run method, we made sure to execute it. That's it. That's how you read a file using a business process. And in this case, you'll probably use activity insert, and if you want to do that, you'll probably do also define a constructor, have a table, models, products, say from equals p, and by doing this, okay, for every iteration of the business process, for every leave row, a new row will get created to the products table, okay, because of the activity insert. So over here, we'll set its value according to the line, I don't know, int parse L, or something like that. So this will cause it to insert a row for every line in the file. So to do that, we've defined the table we want to use, we set it as the main, and then we use the activity insert to insert the rows. Hope you find this useful.